Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to hyperlapse in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to begin the process, begin by opening the CapCut app. Once you get inside, tap on New Project and choose your preferred clip. Tap on Add. Now, click on the clip and access the speed tool. Within the speed options, select curve and then go for custom. Adjust the curve by moving the dots to the top. Once adjusted, confirm by tapping the check mark at the bottom right. Tap check again, and then click the arrow at the bottom left corner. Now go ahead and scroll through the tools to find stabilize. Adjust the stabilization level to the most stable setting. For now, you can't choose the recommended option. Next, tap on the motion bar. This feature is useful if there are many objects along the way. However, let's try it without for now. Adjust the blur and blend settings as needed. Then tap on the check mark. Wait for the effects to be applied. And once done, review the video if you're satisfied. Now, save the video by tapping the download button located at the top right corner. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.